When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal of your Palm Coast home, window replacement is a game-changing investment. Located along Florida's scenic coastline, Palm Coast homes are often admired for their beautiful landscapes, coastal charm, and inviting architecture. However, the aesthetic and functional role of windows in maintaining and elevating your home's appearance cannot be overstated. Here's how replacing your windows can give your home a stunning facelift while offering numerous additional benefits. Modernizes your home's appearance. Outdated windows can make even a well-maintained home appear old and neglected. Swapping out those aging frames and glass for sleek, modern designs instantly refreshes the look of your property. Whether you choose classic double-hung windows, chic picture windows, or elegant bay windows, new styles can add personality and sophistication to your home's exterior. Today's window options are vast, allowing homeowners to select materials, colors, and designs that complement their unique architectural style. For Palm Coast homes, coastal-friendly options like vinyl or fiberglass not only look great but also withstand Florida's humid climate and salty air. Enhances architectural harmony. Replacing your windows gives you an opportunity to enhance the overall aesthetic harmony of your home. Perhaps your current windows don't align well with your home's design. A strategic replacement allows you to choose shapes and styles that blend seamlessly with your property. For instance, large picture windows or sliders can accentuate the coastal vibe, bringing the outdoors in while creating a clean and modern aesthetic. On the other hand, colonial-style homes might benefit from grids or divided light patterns that maintain historical charm while upgrading functionality. Improves natural light and view appeal. The beauty of Palm Coast lies in its breathtaking surroundings, and windows play a crucial role in framing those views. Replacing small or obstructed windows with larger, unobstructed designs can maximize natural light and make your home feel more open and inviting. New windows with low-profile frames or expansive glass panes not only brighten your interior spaces but also enhance your home's exterior appeal. Neighbors and passers-by will notice the warm, welcoming glow that emanates from within, a subtle yet impactful boost to curb appeal. Offers customization with energy-efficient options. Modern window replacements offer unparalleled opportunities for customization. From color finishes and grid patterns to specialty shapes, there are countless ways to tailor your windows to fit your home's unique look. For Palm Coast homes, energy efficiency is another critical factor. Many new windows are designed with advanced glazing technologies, such as low-E coatings and double or triple pane glass. These features help reduce heat gain during Florida's hot summers while keeping interiors cool and comfortable. Not only does this enhance the living experience, but it also aligns with sustainability, a quality that potential buyers increasingly value. Boosts the home's value. A significant advantage of window replacement is the impact on your home's market value. Real estate professionals agree that curb appeal is critical in attracting buyers, and windows are one of the first things prospective buyers notice. Investing in high-quality, visually appealing windows can result in a strong return on investment, ROI. Buyers are often willing to pay a premium for homes with modern, energy-efficient windows that reduce maintenance needs and energy costs. Resilient materials for coastal conditions. Palm Coast's coastal environment can be harsh on traditional building materials. Old, deteriorating windows may show signs of warping, rust, or discoloration, all of which detract from your home's appearance. By replacing them with durable materials like impact-resistant glass or frames engineered for coastal conditions, you ensure that your windows not only look pristine but also stand up to the elements. Low maintenance, high appeal. Modern windows require less maintenance than older designs. Many come with features like tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning, UV-resistant finishes, and moisture-resistant materials. This means your home's exterior stays polished with minimal effort, making it easy to maintain that fresh and inviting look. The final takeaway: a window replacement is more than just an upgrade, it's a transformation. By choosing the right styles, materials, and designs, you can dramatically enhance the curb appeal of your Palm Coast home while enjoying the added benefits of energy efficiency, increased home value, and low maintenance. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to take pride in a home that turns heads, investing in new windows is a decision you'll never regret. Ready to boost your curb appeal? Contact a trusted window replacement professional today and start reimagining your Palm Coast home's potential.